Still Willian, look at the room here for Neymar, who's onside, and Neymar! Oh yes, that is a gorgeous goal from Neymar, who scores in back-to-back matches for Brazil.
Neymar there, of course, as they push towards the first chapelle there. Nice trickery showboating from Brazil already.
Here is Neymar. England with numbers to rescue. This one for Neymar.
That's when Neymar, I think that's what people saw years ago with Neymar. Lots of tricks.
Neymar skips past the first challenge. His two teammates at Barcelona.
Neymar still! That's why he's so special. He's not played in more than 3 months. But he explodes into life in front of the cop.
Neymar. Impudent play again from Neymar.
Virando o jogo. E o público espetacular aqui no Pacaembu, hein?
Público de primeira divisão, então.
Público de grandes jogos.
Breaking towards the penalty area, Neymar, 3 shirts around him, still Neymar, Neymar still going, cuts the ball back, releases Neymar, he gets a bit of good fortune to wriggle away from 3 players.
The man knows his place in this side. Neymar, loving the tricks. Argentina are going to hate it.
By Fred, that's a lovely ball through, and Brazil with a chance to take the lead, which they have done. Neymar puts them in front, and Brazil are in front in this World Cup qualifier.
And the trickery being enjoyed by the fans. And Brazil, though, have the end product. Against him, plenty of ball. That's great stuff from Neymar. Takes another tumble. Neymar again making the most of it.
Here is Neymar to rescue.
Get much rotation in that left back spot. Neymar, oh, nutmeg there. Oh, wow. This was, oh my goodness, just a little touch through Tapia's legs. Good night, that is filthy. And then a little roll on Ramos, not for the
knows his place in this side. Neymar, loving the tricks.
Scored by Ramirez, in by Santos. Here is Neymar! Gorgeous, gorgeous take. The boy can play, and he plays with the soul of a Brazilian.
Cello in here, looks for and finds Fred. The shot comes in. Oh! What a start! And you know how, Neymar for Brazil!
Such an important tournament coming up. It's Neymar now in the box, trying to turn.
Bit of trickery from Neymar, draws a cheer from the crowd. It's where the advantage exactly was.
So a couple of key absentees, Johan Cabaye, Paul Pogba, and Lloris, of course. Here's Neymar. Neymar again. He's got right underneath that and lifted that far too high over the crossbar.
Once again being urged forward. Enjoying the lifted step overs. Neymar with the build-up. Turns his head to the heavens.
And here he is again, beating the trap. Davidov dropping and tucked home. Wrong footing Davidov, and Neymar's on the board.
Cool like a killer inside of the box.
Moving his way through the chance and making no one what a ball that is, and it looked like it almost worked for us to knock it away.
Neymar, and still trying to dance his way through.
Lovely skill again by the Brazilian. There you go.
There's lovely skill.
Neymar dancing over the ball. The foul committed by Tanaka.
And Neymar again looks to put the accelerator down, charge towards the box and wants to get the play on. Neymar again looking to thread it through for the chance.
Trying to dance his way through.
Seen too much in the way of trickery from him in this game. This is just what he needs to rile up.
Neymar takes over. Lovely, delightful turn.
Out there, Neymar with a little Rabona through for Vinicius Jr.
Fred up for Neymar. Neymar on the turn. Neymar lets it fly. He scores. Never mind the penalty. Neymar from outside the box. Up steps Neymar and makes it look so simple. Celebrations all around from the Brazilian fans.
Neymar is brought down from behind once again. Ball had already gone when the whistle from the Iranian referee came.
Casemiro, Neymar turning on.
With the run up and he hits the back of the net. Brazil take the lead thanks to Neymar's penalty.
For lovers of Brazil.
Vinicius running at the defense. Pass essentially for Neymar, the layup, the shot! And Brazil nearly finding the opening goal of the match.
Neymar. It's a wonderful ball, but the flag has gone up against Gabriel Jesus.
Brazilian. There you go. That's a lovely killer ball, Gabriel Jesus.